What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera not working or camera failed error on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the issue will be fixed and camera will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the camera app. Now tap on this information icon and then tap on this force stop option on the bottom left corner. Now tap on OK to confirm. And after force stopping the camera app, the camera will start working properly. Now after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone, tap on software version, and then it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available for your phone's software, then update the software to the latest version. And after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the camera will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the camera failed error or camera not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.